Dr. Deuk. I'm here with one of my patients and friends who I've known for years, and she has been suffering with back pain for, well, I'll let her tell you how long. And a week ago, she came and had the Deuk laser disc repair. She's here for a checkup, and I'll let her tell you how she's doing as well. So how long have you had your back pain for?
Started back in May last year, and I just couldn't get any relief from anyone. Finally, I asked you, and the rest is history. So this last week has been the best week of my life since May of 2022. So pain-free.
Excellent. Yeah. Now, I know it got bad last year, but did you have back pain on and off before that?
I did. I actually got thrown from a horse back in 2018 in Ireland, and that's what I think probably started it. I was having lower back pain, but never really did anything about it, just sort of lived with it.
And kind of modified your life, took it easy, try to avoid things that aggravated the pain.
Exactly.
And now I know that you were suffering so badly before the surgery, and here you are with a smile on your face.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Well, I'm so happy you're out of pain. You had the Deuk laser disc repair. You could actually see, we use a laser to clean the tear in the back of the disc where the pain comes from. The problem is most doctors don't know that's where the pain comes from, so they have no idea how to fix it. My years of doing endoscopic surgery taught me that that's exactly where the pain comes from. So it's a small little spot in the back of the disc. You fix that, the back pain goes away.
And it worked.
It's amazing.
It's like I told your wife, you're a miracle worker.
Oh, thank you very much. Is there anything you want to say to your fans out there?
I just highly recommend, if you've had back pain in the past, don't live with it anymore. Call Dr. Deuk. He is the best.
Yeah, so many people's lives are just, quality of life is ruined by back pain.
It is, and not worth it. I'm ready to start traveling again, so.
Not too much too soon.
Not too soon, I know.
All right, very good, Jean. Great to see you.
Alrighty, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Great to see you.
You too.